Welcome back to another video on Shine On Me, and today we'll be covering supply chains. First, as an introduction, what are supply chains? A supply chain is the journey a product makes from raw materials to the customer. It includes all the steps, machines, and transportation involved in creating and delivering a product. So why are they important? First, it's important because it ensures that products are available when they are needed. It also helps keep prices affordable and maintains the product quality and safety. Lastly, it makes transportation and delivery very efficient. Here are the main stages of a supply chain. First, we have raw materials. Natural resources are basic parts used to make products. There's also the manufacturing step, which is when factories turn these raw materials into finished goods. Next, we have transportation and logistics, which is when goods move using trucks, ships, or planes. Next, warehousing is when products are stored until they are needed by the customer. Fifth, we have distribution. This means when goods are sent into stores, online retailers, or directly to customers. And lastly, retail is when customers buy the final product. Now let's have an example of the journey of a t-shirt to explain the steps more thoroughly. First step is cotton being grown and collected as the raw material. Then this cotton will go to a factory and become fabric. Then in the factory, fabric is cut, dyed, and sewn into shirts. And these shirts are then packed and shipped to a warehouse. Retailers will order the shirts, and lastly, customers purchase them from an online or in-store format. Now, let's study global supply chains. Global supply chains refer to when many products use materials from multiple countries, and this creates efficient but complex systems that connect people worldwide. So, what can disrupt a supply chain, though? First, we have the presence of natural disasters, or shortage of materials, transportation delays, labor shortages or strikes, or global events such as pandemics. These are all instances that would complexify the processes of a supply chain and possibly disrupt the efficiency that it once held up. Now let's talk about why companies invest in improving their supply chains. An improved supply chain results to faster production, lower costs, fewer days or efficiency, less waste while producing, and higher customer satisfaction. So as a summary, a supply chain is the full system that moves a product from raw materials to customers. Understanding supply chains helps us see how connected the world is and how everyday products reach us and the customers eventually. Thank you for watching this lesson, and stay tuned for more on Shine On Me.